I was just thinking of the suffering that people are going through due to this collapse of the economy all over the world. It was a very painful experience that I went through when I didn't have the money. That inspired me to do this video. The worst pain is financial pain. And when it is combined with the fear created by coronavirus, it's horrible. But anyway, let's make it a past. It's history. It's no longer true. Collectively, we can deal with it. And I spoke about it in other videos too. But on an individual level, you should always live in this moment. And while you live in this moment, just keep on saying this sound, Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee. It has incredible power. It was created by the high beings who really cared for humanity and the suffering experienced by people. There was not a time on this earth plane when people were totally free from the financial pain. That's why the high beings decided to come up with this sound, Shreem Brzee, which I co-created with the beings. And what are you going to lose? Just use it and then all the time, and you will feel the difference. Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee. And you just chant it. Just put your heart behind it, the mind behind it, the soul behind it, and the ears behind it, and the tongue behind it, and do it with all concentration. Shri. Put the tongue, the lips, and the air coming out as you chant. Shreem Brzee, Shreem. When you say this sound, just focus attention on the lips when they close and touch each other. When you say the sound, Shreem. You can separate the M also, and it will do a lot. In the course, I will explain this to you fully. Shreem Brzee, 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 Brzee. Brzee, Shreem 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 Brzee. I like being alone, and I am now alone near the swimming pool, very peaceful. There are beautiful trees around, and it is during this time that we felt the pain of the people resulting from lack of finances that triggered me to do this Shreem Brzee chant, which will help you to take care of this horrible problem of lack of money. Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee. I spent lifetimes on it, meditated for years and years in my previous lifetime, thousands of years in different yugas, which mean time periods. So the sound has great antiquity. Not only it belongs to the earth plane, it belongs to different galaxies as well. Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee. Enjoy saying the sound. Enjoy hearing the sound. Let the body be filled with bliss. Every cell come alive. Every neuron in the brain come alive. Let the sound create the synaptic gaps of prosperity, abundance. Shreem Brzee. Let the neurons fire prosperity-oriented synaptic gaps and get into those gaps. It's a metaphor. Just visualize, say the sound, the neurons are firing, gaps are created, and then you go into those gaps and visualize infinite wealth coming to you, health coming to you, karma being erased. Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee. It makes me so happy that I chant it, and with the purest intention of blessing everyone to have a great life. And this is springtime, and the nature is so beautiful. It is the renewal of the spirit of nature, and you should also create that joy within you. and it will happen when we collectively chant Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee. God bless.